In this video, I'll teach you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using your Visa card. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click the Finance on the left side and click Deposit, or you can click your profile icon in the top right and go to the Deposit section. Right here, you will see all of the available payment methods, and in this list, you need to find the Visa MasterCard payment method, which is right here. So you need to click on it. But before we start, make sure that your account is verified, because only verified users can make a transaction using their Visa card. So the minimum deposit amount is $20 and the maximum amount is $50,000. The processing time is a few seconds to 1 minute. And right here, you need to choose the amount you want to deposit. For example, 100 USD. And you can also enter the promo code if you have one. So after you will enter these details, you will see the deposit button. You need to click on it, enter your Visa card details, and finalize the transaction. So after that, you can start trading on Pocket Option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.